Hello, Brian Brandsgard here with Superior Propane. Today I wanted to walk you through one of our many power generation solutions. Starting here at the fuel source, we have many tanks we can offer. All of them will be equipped with our monitoring system, which relays into our My Superior online dashboards and portal. You can follow the fuel source here over into the unit. Pretty simple. They come in both liquid and vapor depending on the type of solution. As we work our way over to the other side, I'll speak a little bit to the benefits of this unit. So when you use propane power generation, you're eliminating 100% of your chance of diesel spill. You're eliminating up to 15% of your greenhouse gases, up to 98% of your particulate, and on top of that, you'll be looking up to about a 40% fuel savings. As we come a little closer to this unit, we really do view these as plug and play. It's really as simple as turning on the power. Once the system boots up, you hit start.